So one of the difficulties that some of my students have is before they really get before they really talk to sellers is how am I going to estimate repairs, right? Estimating repairs is a big part of figuring out what to offer for a property. And I have a very, very simple way to break these things down. The thing that you do first and foremost is you take pictures so that you can remember what needs to be done. And it's not as simple as, hey, a kitchen costs $20,000 and a bathroom costs $10,000. Because in a lot of situations, I teach my students how to make a bathroom look completely different for $1,000 and how to make a kitchen look really good for $2,000 or maybe $4,000 if it needs appliances too. And these are the tips and tricks that I teach my students. Now, if you're interested in learning how to make offers on properties or how to estimate repairs on what it costs when you flip a property, DM me below or put a comment below or click on the bio. It depends on where you're watching this. And I can and put in your name, your phone number, and your email address and write repairs. And I will get back to you and give you some idea of how I teach my students how to make a lot of money doing their flips very quickly.